Hey friends, if you wish to know where your documents are on Windows, then please watch this video. So if I, let's say, create if I wish to save this file randomly, okay, I say that I want to save this file randomly. I want to click on save, or I want to click on auto save. So where would my documents go? Because in nowadays Microsoft Office apps like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word save documents automatically. I click on say where's my document. So here's the thing, all of these automatically saved documents are saved to the OneDrive, and it's also saved to the documents folder. You can find this on the list on the left hand side, or go to this, or go to the home menu, and you'll find it here. So when you check this home menu here, you'll notice that this is a cloud drive because it has this option here. And a cloud drive means that it is synced with OneDrive directly. So if you have any document, it will open here. As you can see, I clicked on document 1, it opened this document. All your documents are stored in the documents folder here. And if you wish to access it through OneDrive, you can also do that. And you can also access it online. So you can access it to any computer that is logged on using the same email ID and the same Microsoft account, or you can also access it from the browser from any location. This is the beauty of these new documents, and you get free storage up to 15 GB. If you're using the paid version of Microsoft Office, you can get storage up to 1 TB, 1 terabyte. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.